Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today and I asked what flower essence would like to come through to help you release any blocks in your energy field that may be blocking your money attraction and bringing more money into your life. And it was interesting, the Mulla Mulla flower essence came through. Now, this one's all about fire and heat. And so there's a few little things that have come through around this as I've just sort of like really tuned in and, looked at what does this mean? What's going on here? And there's a few little things here. Now, it could be to do with you have trauma around fire. Now, that could be a house fire or bushfires or something like that. And this trauma is actually sitting in your system and it's stopping the flow of money because money is energy, right? And so if there's trauma sitting in the system around this, then that will block, the flow of things happening and money coming into your life. Okay. I also get that there's some past life stuff here as well. Maybe for some of you out there, maybe you were doing, in a past life, you had an amazing job, like not job, but you know what I mean? Like work that you did, whatever it may be, and it wasn't accepted and you were burnt at the stake for that. That's a big thing that's coming through in regards to this particular flower essence that wants to come through for you all out there. So, you could have fear around fire in general, and you could have fear around, getting hot and heating up and all of that kind of thing. It really is an amazing essence, this Mulla Mulla. I've worked with it quite a lot. It can actually help, if you're a woman suffering with hot flushes. It can also help with if you burn yourself. It can help relieve that and help it to heal quickly. And also any sort of panic and anxiety around that. I've worked with this essence a lot. I really love it. It's also helpful for if you have fevers, things like that. It can help to bring the fever down and release the heat in the body. It's an amazing essence. It really is. And so, this is just a few things that have come through around the money, but I wanted to give you those little extra bits about how Mulla Mulla can help you in this life. But, and also, it also can help. So when you're working with this flower essence, if you've got something from past life or current life, anything, any sort of trauma associated with fire, you could have it to do with burns as well. Like you could have got burnt in your life, and that created a lot of trauma. And that's what it's pointing to, that's stuck in the energy. Alrighty, so let me know if this has been helpful. It's quite an interesting one that this has come through around money. Make sure you like it if you like it, so I know to bring you more readings like this. Subscribe, hit the bell notification and hit all so you are notified of all the videos and readings that I do. This essence is also available for purchase too. Feel free to comment below and we can organise something like that if you were interested. Alrighty guys, let me know if this has resonated. Let me know your biggest takeaway and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.